Triplex Yvapovõ by Biocons Arquitectos in Asunción, Paraguay. The single-family house is located in a small 10x18 lot, resulting from 1/3 of a conventional lot, located near the center of Asuncion, which has a Yvapovõ, Melicoccus lepidopetalus, tree with a large diameter crown, considered a melliferous tree, specifically when it is in bloom, a stage in which it fulfills the function, especially for bees. The intervention is simply guided by the tree, 2 transversal blocks that face south, silencing the oppressive Asunción sun. The program is solved in 240 square meters with a ground floor that occupies a large percentage of land. Complying with the regulations, added to the parking lot, there is a very small patio. This forced us to think and create different situations, settings, and environments in the later levels. The pandemic ratified the importance of ventilated, contemplative, leisure, rest, and pause outdoor spaces in the home. Therefore, we designed and created 4 outdoor scenarios: a gallery with a grill, a south terrace with a pool, a viewpoint towards the sunset with another grill, and another viewpoint towards the neighborhood and the tree. With sincere language, we imagine this house that is built with a local technique and materiality, by means of an exposed reinforced concrete structure providing the space with freshness and forceful composition, combined with the clay brick, a parasol that dialogues with the tree as a brick creeper. Ceramic and calcareous floors bring other sensations and traditions to the space, also adding the transparency and lighting controlled mainly from the south.